Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'll be updating you on the funded trader payouts. So if you've been following me for the past month or so, I've been trading for the funded trader. I have a 200K account. You can see my trades in the previous videos. If you're interested, you can check it out on my YouTube channel. Yeah, here is an update on the payouts. So the latest email says, "Hi Robert, your payout will currently be delayed. Your account is currently under investigation." I'm not sure what that is. I did everything by the book, and the appropriate staff member will be emailing you details and results about your account along with an explanation. So that doesn't sound too good. Hopefully nothing goes wrong and then they pay out without issue. Please be patient as we review your account for further details. Thank you. I do know they had more volume, more people requesting payouts, and it's taking longer than it normally does. But that's that. You can see here, I requested withdrawal on the 7th. So it's been a week. And then it got rejected because when I initially signed up, like January or something, since I had so many retries, they had to, I had a promotion where they gave me 90% back, plus a refund of $120 of what I paid. So then I submitted again. They sent me all this information here. Payout date was scheduled for yesterday, and I got the email, so hopefully I hear back from them soon. Yeah, hopefully it's good news. If not, hopefully they let me appeal at least, provide some proof, depending what it is, I'm not sure. From reading reviews, it can be various things. Like you can have different devices. Apparently that's a bad thing. I trade on my laptop, desktop, and my phone, so hopefully that doesn't do anything. I also trade different IPs, but sometimes I'm at my parents' house or I'm on the road. Recently I went to a hotel. Hopefully everything works out. But yeah, here is the account number, withdrawal amount, refund, and this is the total I should be being paid. Everything checked out. I submitted my KYC. There might be an issue with that as well, because I did buy a new house. My address changed, and that was pretty recent, about a month ago. And that's that. I submitted my W-9. And then that was 10th. 3 days, June 13. Yesterday is when I got this email. Again, this is just a quick update on what's going on with my payout with the funded trader. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.